All right, go ahead and grab a piece of paper, number 1 through 20, and of course there'll be a bonus word. This week's words are from the Perpetual Motion Machine story, but they are words with schwa. Your first word is jewel. There was a beautiful jewel in the necklace. Jewel. Number 2 is kingdom. Everything the light touches was their kingdom. Kingdom. Number 3 is gasoline. We have to put gasoline in our cars. Gasoline. Number 4 is factory. They all worked building cars at the factory. Factory. Number 5 is garage. You should park the car in the garage. Number 6 is tropical. I'm dreaming of a tropical vacation. Tropical. Number 7 is pajamas. I wore my pajamas to school for PJ Day. Pajamas. Number 8 is estimate. Estimate. There, I gave a great estimate for the math problem. Estimate. Number 9 is tomorrow. Tomorrow is the weekend. Number 10 is humidity. During the winter, there is not much humidity. Humidity. Number 11, Chicago. Make sure it's spelled correctly with a capital letter. The city of Chicago is in Illinois. Chicago. Number 12 is bulletin. Dr. Martin sent out a bulletin through the email. Bulletin. Number 13 is carnival. Hopefully there will be a carnival I can go to soon. Carnival. Number 14 is illustrate. I was asked to illustrate a children's book. Not really. Illustrate. Number 15, elegant. There was an elegant dinner party at the president's house. Elegant. Number 16, census. The census was taken last year and will be taken again in 2030. Census. Number 17, terrific. I felt terrific after my spinach shake. Terrific. Number 18, celebrate. This year I will get to celebrate my birthday. Celebrate. Next one, operate. He went to school to learn how to operate the crane. Operate. And number 20, celery. Celery has strings in it. That is not good. Celery. And of course your bonus word that does not hurt your grade if you miss it, but you could earn 1 extra percentage point, which is a pretty big deal. This week in social studies, we have been talking about different things that people would do to kind of save money or to get more money or whatever it might be. So your bonus word is profiteering. Profiteering is where people would buy all the products and then sell them for a really high price. Profiteering. Make sure your name's on your test and turn it into the basket. Good luck.